This question says, at a certain temperature, the reaction below has a Kc value of 1.8 times 10 to the 2. If at equilibrium the concentration of Y is 0.028 molar and the concentration of X2Y is 0.084 molar, what is the value of the concentration of X in the equilibrium mixture? This is very similar to a previous question, except we're not looking for Kc, we're given Kc and we're looking for the concentration of one of our reactants. So the first thing we should do is write the Kc expression, which of course is products over reactants. So Kc equals the product X2Y, which is a gas, and in this case everything's a gas, so everything goes in our equilibrium constant expression, over the concentration of X squared, because there's two of them, times the concentration of Y. So this is our value of our expression for Kc, the equilibrium constant expression. Well, let's plug in what we know. We know that Kc is 1.8 times 10 to the 2. It's given to us. We also know the concentration of X2Y is 0.84 molar. Finally, we don't know the concentration of X, so we can't plug that in, but we do know the concentration of Y is 0.028. So now we have everything that we know plugged in. The first thing we want to do is cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we take this times 0.28, and what we get is a number, which 1.8 times 10 to the 2 times 0.028 gives us 5.04 times the concentration of X squared, just goes along for the ride, equals 0.84. So we just cross multiplied these two, X squared went along for the ride, and we multiplied these two numbers together. Now we have to get rid of the 5.04, so we divide both sides by 5.04, and we get the concentration of X squared equals 0.84 divided by 5.04, which is 0.17. Now we need to get this to go. So to get this squared gone, we take the square root of both sides. The concentration of X equals, technically it should be plus or minus the answer. But since we're solving for the concentration of X, a negative concentration doesn't make any sense. So we're only going to accept the positive answer. The square root of 0.17, the positive answer is 0.41 molar. So this gives us the concentration of X, which is our answer to this question.